Hello everybody, welcome to your 7-4 lesson on graphing sine and cosine functions. I think you're actually going to like graphing these. They're kind of fun, so give it a chance. Let me know what you think. Our learning target for today, we will be able to create and use graphs of sine and cosine functions. We will graph and identify the key features of sine and cosine functions. We will find and interpret the average rate of change of a periodic function over a specific interval, and then we'll compare key features of different periodic functions. So one thing I want you to add into your notes right here, I want to remind you that we have worked with the unit circle. And while we've been working with the unit circle, we have found ordered pairs going around the unit circle. So, for example, let's say we had a 45-degree angle. This ordered pair, we would connect, we would get a reference triangle. We knew our hypotenuse was 1. We knew our two sides were root 2 over 2. And then that gave us the ordered pair, root 2 over 2 for the x, and root 2 over 2 for the y. So this angle, 45 degrees, is a pi over 4 angle in radians. And so what we talked about was how the x value was cosine of pi over 4, and the y value of that coordinate was the sine of pi over 4. So when we graph our sine and cosine functions, essentially what we do is we pick one function, let's say cosine, and we graph you'll see what it looks like, but you're going to end up graphing ordered pairs that came from the angle measure. So in this example, if cosine of pi over 4 is equal to root 2 over 2, what that would look like in a table of values of our angle measure and our cosine of our angle measure. If our angle measure is pi over 4, our cosine is root 2 over 2, and that's an ordered pair that we would plot in a graph. So we're going to fill in a chart in the next video where we have all of our angle measures going around the unit circle, and we're filling in the cosine values or the sine values. And those are just from these ordered pairs going around the circle. So just a heads up on where that's coming from.